At the front of the device, you will find the following key components. Wiring terminals. Input, L and N, for connecting the live and neutral wires from the power supply. Output, L and N, for connecting the live and neutral wires to the load, e.g., lights or other appliances. Wi-Fi indicator. Light shows the connection status. Door blinking for pairing mode, steady when connected. Reset button, used for pairing or resetting the device to factory settings. Wiring instructions. Before wiring the device, ensure the power is turned off to prevent electrical shock. Follow these steps to connect the wires. Connect the live wire, L, from the main power supply to the input terminal marked L. Connect the neutral wire, N, from the main power supply to the input terminal marked N. Load connection. Connect the live wire, L, going to your load, e.g., light or appliance, to the output terminal marked L. Connect the neutral wire, N, going to your load to the output terminal marked N. Secure the wires. Ensure all connections are tight and there are no exposed wire strands. Pairing with Wi-Fi. Power on the device after completing the wiring. Press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds until the indicator light starts blinking. Open the Smart Home app on your smartphone. Compatible apps are usually specified in the product documentation. Follow the on-screen instructions to add a new device and select your Wi-Fi network. Voltage testing power. On the Smart Switch, ensure the switch is properly wired and paired with your mobile app. Place the multimeter probes. Touch the black probe to the neutral, N, terminal, and the red probe to the live, L, terminal of the switch output. Check the multimeter display for the voltage reading, which should show approximately 110 volts or 220 volts, depending on your region. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and as always, thanks for watching.